Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is a very simple gambrel design. As you can see, this is a very large gambrel. I'm actually making this for a farmer that needs to hang up some beef cows. So this is a pretty thick stock. This is 5/8 inch octagon bar stock there. And you know, it makes a really beefy thing. Now, some of you might be saying, okay, Roy, but you hang up like a 1,500 pound beef cow, how's that going to affect this actual piece? Well, since it hangs from the central point here and it's just a bend that is continuous, this is made to flex a little bit. So it can flex down a little bit if needed, but it's definitely heavy duty enough to handle that amount of weight on there. You can make these in a lot smaller sizes, and if you know a big game hunter, you know, or getting into that kind of space, you can actually, you know, sell these for a nice pretty penny, and it requires no welding, no fanciness. It's just a straight up gambrel that works. That's the key there. One thing I did do off camera, it's just easier than monkeying around with the camera, but there's nothing special. I did put a little cant to this eye, if you will, in order to line up this hook with this hook over here. So that's kind of the only thing that you guys didn't see me actually do. Other than that, the whole process, you saw it right here on the camera, you know, right here on YouTube if you watch the whole tutorial. Another thing to keep in mind, these hooks don't need to be super sharp. They go through the hocks or through the heel tendons, so a little space in between, so you don't need to make these super sharp. In fact, it's better if you don't. One less thing to jab yourself on if you happen to be working with processing an animal. You don't want to be hurting yourself or injuring yourself. So if these are somewhat blunted, that is better if you do. Like I said, you can size this appropriately. Say if you were going to make one for a smaller game, say deer or something like that, rabbit or whatever, you'll want to use a lot thinner stock. I would probably recommend for deer probably 1/2 inch material. If you're going down to something like rabbit, you could go all the way down to say 1/4 inch material, obviously. You know, maybe 5/16. Probably stick with about 5/16 thick material for something like that if you're just making a little gambrel to hang them up. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to all of my channel members for making this content possible. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button. I greatly appreciate you engaging with the videos. And if it's not too much trouble to ask and you know, you really like the video, share it around with some of your friends. I greatly appreciate that. That really helps the channel out. So that's it for today. God bless each and every last one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.